and Chefettes. So here are the ingredients you're gonna need to make these super tender fried chicken gizzards. So you're gonna need some salt. So you're gonna need some black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some paprika, some cayenne pepper, some chicken broth, some green seasoning. Guys, if you don't know how to make this green seasoning already, I will put the link in the description so you can see how we made it. But you gotta make this green seasoning. We're gonna need some flour and some cornstarch. We already combined 4 tablespoons of flour with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and you're gonna need an egg. So guys, these are the ingredients you're gonna need to make these tender, super duper soft fried chicken gizzards. So the first thing we did was wash our chicken gizzards. We cut off all the extra fat, the yellow skin, and rinse it off again. And then we put it to boil in our pot with all our seasonings. We added everything we showed you, from the salt, the black pepper, the green seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, and a hot pepper into the pot. And we boiled it with our clean chicken gizzards for about 2 hours. So we took those same ingredients, the salt, the black pepper, the onion powder, the garlic powder, the green seasoning, the paprika, and the cayenne pepper, and we added it to the cooked chicken gizzards. Remind you, these are the same ingredients we put in the water when we boiled it. So we added the same ingredients into the chicken gizzards, and we're gonna season it again. First we season the water, now we season the chicken gizzards. So it's gonna have 2 times the amount of seasoning when we get ready to cook it. Then we took those same seasonings, minus the green seasoning. We added to our flour and cornstarch, we added salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne and paprika. And then we cracked our egg, because this is going to be our egg wash to dip our gizzards in before we fry them and coat them. So stay tuned for the next step. Chefettes, it's time to fry our gizzards. Our oil is nice and hot. Our gizzards have been seasoned again. Our flour has been mixed, and our egg wash is ready. So you're gonna take your chicken gizzards, right? You're gonna dip it in your egg wash. Can you see? Can you see? Dip them in the flour. Egg wash again. Flour again. And dip them in a fryer. Guys, we're going to do this to every single piece. So it's egg wash, flour, egg wash. Why are we doing this? It's so we can get a double coat. Flour, fryer. One more. Egg wash, flour, egg wash, flour, fryer. Guys, so we're going to do this to all the pieces, and stay tuned for what's next.
Right here we have our tender, juicy fried chicken gizzards. Guys, and now I'm going to show you how to make a delicious sauce to go with it. First, you're going to need some hot sauce. Today, we are using Be Lovely's Danger Hot Sauce, some honey, and some mayonnaise. I'm going to mix it together and show you how to make this sauce, so pay attention. First, we got this mayonnaise. Alright. We're going to put some hot sauce, some Danger. Just a little bit. This thing hot. This thing hot.
Now put a little more.
A little more.
Come on, you know we like everything hot.
Alright, we'll take a little lick. See if it's good enough. And some honey. Alright, let's mix this together. You're right. I'm gonna add a little bit more Danger. A little bit more, guys. A little bit more. Guys, and these are the only 3 ingredients you're going to need to make this delicious sauce to go with your chicken gizzards. And that's it. Oh my God, this is so tender. I have to try it. To put in our sauce. Look at this sauce. Oh my God. Oh my god. This is amazing. Make this recipe.
I know, because I made it.
Chef Trini, you put your foot in it.
I put something else in there too.
I know what I know. Chef and Chef X, make this recipe, guys. And let us know what you think about it. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe! And we are out!